Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2019 Agric Science Past Question, question 20. All the following are the factors affecting the forest except A. Deforestation, B. Bush burning, C. Hunting, and D. Afforestation. It says all the following are the factors affecting the forest except. Now, what is a forest? A forest is a piece of land. Forest is a piece of land where trees are found. Piece of land where trees are found. Now the question says all the following are the factors affecting the forest except. That is, we have to pick an option here that will not affect the forest. A here says deforestation, and deforestation simply means what? The falling or cutting down of trees. Falling trees. Now, when trees are being felled in the forest, what happens? It exposes what this forest, that is the soil, to harmful factors like sunlight and erosion, and this depletes the soil nutrients. So deforestation affects the forest. Now B says bush burning. Bush burning simply means what? Setting the bushes on fire, and by so doing you are also exposing the soil surface to harmful factors like the wind, sunlight, and erosion. So it also affects the forest. Now C says hunting. Now hunting here just simply means what? Killing of animals. Hunting simply means killing of animals, either be it bush animals or wild animals. That's hunting. Now hunting will not affect the forest, because hunting will only affect wildlife. Hunting will only affect wildlife or animals' existence, but it will not affect the forest. Now this is afforestation. Afforestation here simply means what? The act of planting trees. It is the act of planting trees. And when trees are being planted in a forest, what happens? It improves the quality of the forest. So afforestation helps to improve the quality of the forest. You see that option A, deforestation, affects the forest negatively. B also affects the forest negatively. But option D here affects the forest, which is afforestation, positively by what? By improving in the standard of the forest. Remember, forest is a piece of land where trees are found. But C here, hunting, will affect wild animals, not forest. And so therefore C is the correct answer to this question, hunting. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.